I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Delaney, and today's video is going to be part 3 of my 2025 spring decorating series, and we are here in the kitchen. I am so excited to share this video with you. I'll be incorporating lots of pastel colors, some bunnies, birds, tulips, and just all the spring vibes. So I can't wait to share this video with you, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. How is your spring decorating going? We still have a lot more spring decorating coming up on my channel. Part 1 was my spring living room. Part 2 was my spring coffee bar. And of course, we still have the front porch and our bedroom and bathroom upstairs. I love decorating the whole house for the spring season. So let's grab a cup of coffee or some tea or just some cozy snack and sit back, relax, or decorate along with me. Thanks for being here. All right, so we're going to start off here by decorating the floating shelf here in my kitchen. I love this. It is from Amazon, and I think it just brings in this perfect, like, rustic, modern, and even industrial look that I like to go for in my home. This Hello Spring sign and these little blue birds are from TJ Maxx. Spring is in the air. This is from Amazon. Of course, I have to have my Rae Dunn measuring cups, and then I have this Rae Dunn mug that says beautiful day. And then I'm just adding in 2 of these white eggs that are from Hobby Lobby. That little watering can is also from Hobby Lobby, along with these little white vases and eucalyptus. I love this eucalyptus. I have it all over my home for spring and summer. I have it in little tiny picks like this, bigger stems, and even draping stems that you will see as I decorate above the kitchen cabinets later in this video. And then I did pick up a small amount of items for spring this year, mainly from Amazon, but some of the items here are this Spring is in the Air, and it's reversible, and it has a little Easter saying on the other side. And then I got 2 of these wood flowers. So this is the Collins painting brand from Amazon, but I know I've seen it in like other decor stores, not necessarily Hobby Lobby, but I just love their pieces. They're so perfect to bring in for seasonal decor. And then, of course, we have to decorate my Hearth and Hand tier tray. These little bouquets are from Amazon. I have 2 wood bunnies that I'll be using from Hobby Lobby. I have this set of like 2 green bowls. I've had that for a while from Target. And then I'm just bringing in some other things that I've already had. So I'm using more white eggs from Hobby Lobby, as well as some Target dollar spot finds.
Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together.
And then I have this little egg crate from the Target dollar spot from a couple years ago. And then moving over on the kitchen counter, in this corner, I have a little tray where I like to keep a lamp, and then a cookbook holder. This is from Hearth and Hand. And then, of course, I have to have a Magnolia table cookbook. These spring towels are from Amazon. I have them in a couple different colors, and they are linked in my LTK if you're ever interested. But I'm just going to be adding that towel here to give it a spring vibe. And then to this little wood vase, I'm adding in some Target dollar spot tulips, and then 2 little gold bunnies also from the Target dollar spot. And I apologize, this is not the greatest angle for the camera, but you will see how it turns out here in just a moment. My kitchen, the way that it is shaped, there's not a whole lot of places to be able to set the camera, so we just got to work with what we have. And then on the other side of this tray here, I'm adding in a little colander that has like some floral designs from Target dollar spot. And then of course we're gonna bring in some spring candy. These are some peanut M&Ms with all the pastel colors. And then I do end up moving that wood tulip here as well. That one is also from that Collins painting brand. And then on my little kitchen island here, I have a Hobby Lobby tray to which I'm adding another one of these spring towels. And this white pitcher is also from Target. I love it, and I almost keep it up year round. And I just love putting in some faux flowers. So we are going to put in some gorgeous pink tulips that were from TJ Maxx a couple of years ago. And then I have this little Ray Dunn ceramic bird figurine that says Happy Spring, also from TJ Maxx.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love. Let me love. Let me love you. Let me love you.
This is later in the evening. I had an outfit change because I cannot get everything done in the matter of, like a couple hours or whatever. So, hats off to you if you can. But over here on my channel, most of these things, especially if I'm decorating an entire room, especially if I'm deep cleaning an entire room, will take the course of a couple of days. Anyways, so we're above my kitchen cabinets now. This is that draping eucalyptus from Hobby Lobby that I was talking about. The set of 3 black baskets are from Hobby Lobby. All of the vases that you see are from Hobby Lobby. I have a little wood utensil set. Those are all from Hobby Lobby, and the little canister is from Target. So I just love to shop in places where, it's easily accessible and affordable for everyone. So I just like to bring in some very neutral, yet a pop of greenery here above the kitchen cabinets, but also, it gives you visual interest with something to look at. On the garage door here, I'm adding in a eucalyptus wreath, also from Hobby Lobby. Again, it's just my favorite thing to bring in for spring and summer. And then we're going to move over to our kitchen table. And I don't do a whole setup over here, like we're not putting out plates or utensils or anything, but I do like to have a table runner. This is from Amazon, and then I have a hearth and hand tray that I'll be adding here, as well as a vase from the Studio McGee line at Target. And then I'm bringing in some gorgeous Cosmo flowers from Hobby Lobby. They're the white ones, but they do come in a bunch of different colors, but I do feel like the white ones are amazing for spring and summer.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment.
So I'm creating a little vignette here on this tray. Of course, we've got some coasters, and then this glass cloche is from Amazon, and I'm just filling it up with some robin's eggs that are a bunch of different shades of green and cream colors from Hobby Lobby. And then this brass bird here is also from Hobby Lobby. Now, I did do this exact setup last year. I absolutely loved it. So just a reminder that you can use the same decorating setup as the year before. We're adding in a little lavender wreath here. And then, of course, we got to bring in some Mrs. Meyer's seasonal dish soap, hand soap, multi-surface spray. And this is the lilac. And then I have this little stand here from Target Dollar Spot a few years ago. And then I'm just bringing in another baby's breath bouquet. And then, of course, a Bath and Body Works, nice little, I think it's the white tea and sage was this one, but I am a big fan of Bath and Body Works, so I have candles all around my house. And then here on the side of the kitchen island, I'm just adding in another one of these spring towels with my wood boards that are from Hobby Lobby. So this I used to decorate a lot more, but now that we have a toddler, I definitely scaled it back and tried to keep things on here that, I'm not going to get heartbroken if they get moved around, and they can drop and still be fine. So, but again, just some really simple places in my kitchen that I can add seasonal decor, which makes me very happy. But let's go ahead and see how spring kitchen turned out.
Stay here forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this.
And that is going to be it for my 2025 spring kitchen decorate with me. I really hope you enjoyed it and that it gave you some inspiration for decorating your kitchen for spring. I still have several more spring decorate with me's to come with my front porch, our bedroom, our bathrooms, the hallway upstairs, some smaller areas. And definitely, if you missed it, check out my spring living room and spring coffee bar decorate with me. But thanks again so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day and happy spring. Bye.
Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.